You ready? Come on. Let's go. Come on. All right, ready? All right, what's good? So today we're going to do something a little different. We are getting a late night workout. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be at the gym around 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. around that time. Calm down. Hope you're walking the dog. It's a nice day outside. Passed all my classes in school this semester, and life is good right now. So for arm day, aka pull day, right now I have around 17 and a half inch biceps, and my goal for arms is to actually make it to 20 inches. That's not gonna happen quick, and it's not gonna happen unnaturally. I'm gonna make sure it happens naturally. So the goal is to hit 20-inch arms before I'm done working out. That's my life goal. Naturally, of course. Never hopping on roids. Never plan to. This is my first time. The dog's in the video. Hope y'all like seeing him. He's a Cane Corso. That's what kind of dog breed he is. It's an Italian Mastiff. 20-inch arms is the goal. Pretty sure that's possible natural. I think so. If it's not, we're still gonna achieve it. That's the mindset y'all gotta have. Y'all gotta have that mindset where even if it's impossible or nearly impossible, you're still gonna find a way to get it done. In anything. Man, for example, I didn't think I was gonna pass these classes, or I didn't think I was gonna like my field of study that I'm in. But I turned out to like it. The field of study I'm in school is computer science. It's a lot of nerdy stuff. I didn't like it at first. I just chose it for the money. But hey, man, I actually ended up liking it. Started coding, started studying, started actually getting interested in it. I kind of like forced myself to be interested into it. But that's what you got to do sometimes, man. Now I'm like 2 years in, halfway done with my bachelor's degree for computer science. And I still been in the gym every day. That's what I'm trying to teach y'all, man. It's easy. So it's not easy, it's simple. You just gotta do it. It can get tiring. Y'all just gotta go. Go to the gym. Go to your job. Get the important stuff done. Man, why you trying to buy my camera, man? All right, we over here. Dang, he trying to attack y'all. Sit down, man. Oh, you want the leash off? Sit down. I got you. We made it to the park, y'all. Beautiful park. Basketball court. Hold on, let me take the leash off. Then I'll go over to that dog. Sit. Stay. 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 Stay right there. Stay. Come here. Good boy. Sit. All right, y'all. We made it. We at EOS. What time is it? 11:44 p.m., man. It's about to be 12 a.m. Should be less cars than this, man. Jeez. All right, I'll see y'all in there. All right, what's going on, y'all? This is pool day, but I'm starting with bench press because it's a deload day for my chest day. I usually always do a small little chest day, which is my deload day, on my pool days. So I'm just gonna do once bench press, a little lighter, than before. So I'm doing 295 for 4 sets. And then we'll go right back to the back. What's going on, y'all? 275 on the bar. And it's heavy rows. We finally started our official row day or pool day. So I'm gonna do this for about, I'm gonna attempt 6. I'm probably gonna hit like 4. But it's all right. We getting up there. And I do like 4 sets of these right here. Like 5. All right, the next thing we got going on, pull-ups. Can't forget about those bodyweight exercises. You gotta keep doing them, even when you're lifting weights. Probably gonna hit about 10, 12. Not bad. Got barbell curls, heavy barbell curls, and we're gonna superset it. Can't see them here. These 50-pound dumbbells, hammer curls. Four sets of these. So these I'm gonna do about like 3 or 4. The barbell. And then the hammer curls, I don't usually do 50s, but we're gonna hit 12. Next we got these wrap pull downs with the inverted grips. These are gonna hit 5 sets to the back. I do these a good bicep and back for each one. And I drop set every set too. I start at 200. I do as many as I can. And I'll go down to about 100.
First workout of the night is forearm curls. Got the weight to 72. And I typically just go to a third. You have strict form, your back up straight, chest up, core tight. You go up and down like that.